We're going to be looking at Matthew chapter 11, verses 28 to 30.
因为有就讲你都讲马太头的这个你这些你这个啥子这有啥子嘛的就叫关你都演我
Okay.
我阿扎比弗拉尼头就是个状态嘛就是个状嘛不都在推我合适两毛个大妈买书诺阿吉娘我的嘞过了年我的我很难掌握我阿伯买书我哪里买书我的书嘞阿六百年我你妈年努斯加油喽过了年我个面表我很难过花木我阿六百年我阿伯那买啥喽我个米落喽白喽
These are some powerful words of Jesus.
对嘛呀？可我娘嘛别肯定啊，我别的嘛花吃都抓不。
But they're very simple.
你那年我别去啊去干嘛面？小娃嘛个去嘛是，过来咪嘛咪呀，奶接喽。
Jesus says, "Come to me, all who are weary and burdened.
耶稣
I
别
will give you rest."
耶稣别肯定啊喽哎，我在耶稣别呀阿妈。我喝说，我阿姐说，我的来，别嘛，一嘛米就来做咯。
Come to me is an invitation.
我第二个来，我的来别的呢，有拉出的五嘛别去，第二嘛别去，太我别人全别嘛哎，就是别去我话。
If we get an invitation to a wedding, it doesn't say you have to come, this is an order. It says you're invited and I'd like you to come and join us.
来陪着白天嘛个来嘛，不是头天嘛个拉台。侬几个给大么？嘛几个还下多了啊？是那个嘛大嘛啥？给那都是嘛啊么？有你是你讲我，该吃你讲我。
It's a very tender thing that Jesus is saying. He's saying, "Come close to me. I want you close beside me."
耶稣呢，就里边嘛呢，啊，都来个嘛边，我怕天啊，过来嘛，不是你无口。耶稣呢，你嘛啊，可能是呢，有的人是呢，怕天来么，别的嘛，一嘛没得了做喽。
It's not forced on us,
嘛打嘛啥个嘛边嘛拉边个 OK， 侬在打我。
but we have to reply. Are we going to go or not?
过来咪无口做，地口做的，有哪都爱，有秋都爱，可有都爱。 有在打我，
And who has he invited?
我在阿里马的屋的阿里马的地下来边的嘛，
What did he say?
阿里边耶稣，
He says, "Come to me, all who are weary and burdened."
对嘛？阿达木他表示别去个嘛啊，我喝说，我里大嘛没说，诺的不嘛，我嘛在边嘛，诺拉边两嘛。 别的嘛，耶稣呢，无口对哩地口。
If you're exhausted from your work,
米亚嘛怪别阿克无口说的别我爱，
if you're carrying heavy burdens,
嘛俺呢个里，我家的没啥克无口别嘛是。
I want you to come to me.
耶稣那边呢，阿里是阿里啊两嘛。
Jesus knows that life in this world is not easy.
米那关键在呢。 啥啥别个有什么啊？阿里阿咪和两嘛人没忘我不是耶稣阿咪手打生意，别嘛别去啊喽。
But it's during the difficult times that we can learn to rely on Jesus.
我在耶稣呢，噶夸嘛是你夸来个嘛别，嘛噶夸我和你嘛到别的是你两嘛，嘛几罗别的是你耶稣听过两嘛，别是你地去的嘛啊哇。
And if we come to him, what is he offering us? He says, "I will give you what?"
啊是个还别耶稣呢，爸爸这边个你别里边。 罗里藏我很难蒙藏我表示
I will give you rest.
rest better 我很难的嘛代表我忙爱。
It's a pretty good offer.
我在阿里马跟你马吉罗 better 两马的话我很阿丁那我在你马 better 呢，可有你是什么呢装我？
Okay, verse 29.
你吃苦吃瓜就里边啊，我阿伯没事，我在受累，出来个嘛别嘛 ，learn 受累的可别不，阿里边呀，我你妈呢努是加油喽，我哩呢，我面表我很那个花木我着。
Okay. He says, take my yoke and learn from me.
我阿伯嘛，我那里嘛，努没事是你，努之前努的过走着是你，我比受累，我里阿是的别人别的嘛受累表示。
Once again, it's an offer, it's an invitation.
耶稣你别的嘛个有的全表示那个，来嘛，那个咱你来嘛，别的嘛。
He's not saying, you got to get over here and I'm going to put this on you and we're going to make you
别
work.
的这个来讲，俺努个这他妈你说这你嘛别。
He's saying, let's get yoked together. You and I will carry this burden together.
我在那里阿伯别的了你，俺你嘛的卡这个嘛，俺你卡嘛哎。 我把耶稣的确有的确是呢，耶稣比提我出水来，别嘛一嘛没个做不。
He's saying he's going to be right there with us.
阿里个没怕天天我嘛，弄他做嘛。
You've probably seen more cows yoked together than I have.
可得很有个有个木桩我哎，俺人家的卡个那里嘛，那阿里个么吉拉嘛，你看嘛的得吉，但是你说就讲啊，
Have you ever seen it?
木桩我哎，
Yeah. So how does it go? Is there one cow there and one way over here?
俺你嘛过的嘛，都过的嘛，我来讲哎 ，close together。
They're side by
Patia.
side. And they're helping each other.
我当你嘛个阿里是哎嘛是。 啊，可厉害呗！他妈个一不师傅，他妈是把里大白天妈妈你没家，我哩按你说按你个我哩一家来苦当我，是把有时别人努是把的嘛我说的，努在我一不大家呢，哪里没嘛里边，啊不没嘛里边。
He's saying, come and do that because I am gentle and humble in heart.
耶稣里边。 我你们年努是加油喽就，
That's pretty amazing.
他妈你们努加油，我来没有的，一个的一家你是。
Jesus could have said, you got to come and get yoked with me because I created the universe.
耶稣呢，这两嘛别嘛，压力嘛别别的，莫怪明年几送我你别的你咋得，你别别你咋你，那21年啊，我别给他拿来。 嘛别耶稣呢？
I came to this earth to die for you.
耶稣哪里别？
I know it all.
我拉到嘛呢？世界那么别拉嘞，我的就那么别拉哩。
But he didn't say that.
嘛别。
He said, take this yoke, let's get yoked together because we can share the burden and I am what? I want them to say what he is. I am gentle. What did he say? How did he describe himself? I am what? Gentle and humble.
And humble.
Yeah. He came to this world, he lived in this world to give us an example of how we should live.
耶稣明年过来的嘛呢？ 有的个呢，一嘛个，带嘛有个带手的就那么标，模式呢，一个确实呢，手门那么标，耶稣老神啊，别的嘛个一嘛米的个吧。
He knows we can't do it on our own.
明年手在地什么？一对呐，嘛去拉那大不别的嘛个耶稣手的。
We need him to come along beside us.
耶稣个帕天嘛，希望别呢，有就个一个嘛的。
And when we come alongside him, we will find rest for our souls.
耶稣帕天过有个哩抽应呗，没拉我别的嘛呢，是两嘛的事，啊另外面耶稣呢个我做。
The Jews in Jesus' day were carrying heavy burdens.
耶稣很有关嘛，耶稣里做着，我讲做做嘛不么，或者阿另外别的啊可怜嘛个咩不啊？
The law had been given by God to teach us how to live.
我上你自家个大嘛个阿里做做那大，拉做做拉做阿里家来可那大别嘛阿只，自家过比个里个大嘛我。
He told us, love God.
我说的你女做，
Don't lie.
他个别，
Don't steal.
他哭，
Honor your father and
阿爸
mother.
妈的皮，
Good guidelines for life.
这里是你对住，马住啊，可家嘛，别去听啊哇。
It also shows us we're not perfect.
觉得有个呢，屋里里是之前hin把老师忙啊，还呢有的一家那嘛表，我说呢，我里头啊，怪比有的马点嘛，啊喽。
God has all these rules and laws and things that we're supposed to do, and there's never a day we get it all right.
过来呢，侬安尼大白个呢，天你买个，此时专门的此时嘛，侬花了什么啊？我是起码哪里个里左右上面人装啊？过来呢有三把嘛，不是手的。
And then the Pharisees made it, and the teachers of the law made it even more difficult.
过来帕里斯的做嘛呢？你的课，我说你别的嘛马路车啊里，一本呐，一本里打，这里打白过里，女的打白过里，别说你，
They
一下
added,
课嘛吃，
they
过里
added
打。
hundreds more.
一下课里打负担的呢，就是嘛里里出嘛课哟，这里打嘛该有事。
And the focus became on the outward. What are you doing? Are you doing it all right? Are you following all the laws? Are you just doing it right?
我在这块只有多点嘛主要的嘛呢，你嘛过去嘛啊，一把啥的对是呢，他妈努力嘛出在外，一干什么努窗外，别说你干什么的是你拿，过来咪一意思嘛，一嘛咪嘛的嘛出在不。
Where Jesus wants us to worry about the heart. It's not what people see on the outside, it's what we are in the inside.
耶稣你别的嘛呢，你嘛一记过去多啦的嘛，但是呢，路你来，我嘛是烦啊，一把也的嘛呐。 阿连个，你嘛接触嘛都是个没装啊！了你妈妈过去是你，乐是你，我啥地方过去呢？你妈妈的是写不写个的嘛？也是啊，可你试试一妈咪，都话破人家破多了不？
Sorry. He says, if you take my yoke, it's easy. The burden I'm going to put on you is light.
耶稣那边嘛呢？那边说你要我的嘛边，我那里我你脑袋开始个一次一下嘛个嘛边。 我个脑袋记住也都么呢？你啊，可乱嘛！
Jesus is saying he will walk with us.
觉得耶稣个侬一年侬对我嘛，一个侬对我嘛边，我侬比的我就选我，啊，在没把天点我，
He will help us carry the burden.
侬没嘛快别个我没讲你，不是耶稣别人。
He wants us to show us how to live, what to do.
觉得。 马上嘛，很多个死了那个把吃马个呢，阿里是这里一拿，阿里是出拿。
We're not alone.
有就是也嘛吃不是，耶稣你别的嘛。
He is living within us.
Yes,
He's right
sir.
beside us.
有你嘛苦过个点我，有怕天过个点我。
The Bible is full of wisdom and the teachings of God.
我上别去别的呢，是你别去个把。 咱们呢必须别去个帮我，啊，没事这里帮啊。
We need to be reading God's Word often.
你咋不？别去妈妈因我别呢，有点嘛去拉表示。
I used to, for a few years, I read through the Bible every morning. So the Old Testament, then New Testament, a Psalm, and some Proverbs.
妈妈一起前呢，听那里听那个是些图里遇到一直么，那多拉他，那边是嘛一咖啡的去多少里遇他。 可是，我嘞，都过去5年都过去5年别说我嘞有时呢，我嘞一条熊。
And it was good. It was good.
家我嘛个。
But a year or so ago, I thought, I just want to look at Jesus, to look at the words of Jesus.
你的过去大部分呢，阿不，提不噜嘛个俺那我是。 耶稣别去嘛，耶稣你马达的嘛，我马的个，干么就哎，我马的是呢，啊，这次我个耶稣噻，别是你耶稣别去的，的话这里在有啊。
And I think most of us here know all those stories. What Jesus said, what he did.
耶稣妈咪，耶稣别去嘛，耶稣就讲妈咪呀嘛，阿姐呀，嘛是说呢，你嘛就么，这真的你嘛是咪呀管的啊。
But I found when I stopped and just read a few verses and really thought about it, it was like the light went off. It was amazing.
来说这里说的，啊，说有个嘛，但嘛俺们对你说，啊不，米那个呢，我就做你嘛吃不来，你嘛下个我就做上你嘛吃不来，我喝个我就做我喝嘛吃不来，对，也说你来呗的嘛，这里，那的对过过来话吃是你明俺们。 这块嘞是一年个点嘛，别看我不是呢。
The best example we have of God's love and how He wants us to live is the example that Jesus gave when He was on earth.
我说呢，阿里边，我说在我女呢，最嘎嘎嘛，这里是阿姐呢，耶稣的对你，耶稣马达有，那老是他呢，我说票的俺们有么么里边，嘛是有几千俺们哈提包括，特别是你湖南莫拉都加古的俺伯伯，妈妈一起请俺们收账木家了。
It's amazing how Jesus came to earth.
明年过来的嘛个，耶稣明年过来嘛个，他们啊，一代一的是都叫没都定啊哇。
He didn't come on a big white horse and with a crown.
阿姆夫子呢，把拉米呢，没啥处呢，马拉米呢，怪不拉的。
He had poor parents. He was born in a stable.
一排嘛个做啥子？一去拉过来，就在嘛在hin过是过来去拉个。
Probably even a lot of people there who thought, an illegitimate child. Mary wasn't married to Joseph when she got pregnant.
哎，这边呢，他妈，你什么呢？你的少是你，是的是，我说的差是你少年啊，是别说的主力嘛是。
He came so humbly in order to teach us something.
耶稣明年过拉嘛也做，一节一对过拉是呢，我过去搞不，有的。
He was
这个那么比如老师啊，别的嘛有的里花钱都做。
he was perfect, no sin.
耶稣呢，最嘛就，最嘛一年，别说我啥头过个边。
But he didn't look around and just find people who were doing all the good works.
我的耶稣呢，我最嘛就是呢，我个最嘛就是他的是就别打来活该嘛边。
People who really knew lots about the Bible.
我说别去别个呢，是什么个日子嘛？是他，俺呢从啥子？俺呢你嘛啥时候？你得里都是，他嘛福地说的都是那个耶稣呢，没可有什么嘛做别的去嘛。
His disciples were fishermen.
嘛da提查嘛就别的，你做啥？
A tax
做啥
collector.
什么咪？来话我哪怕我花怕的里话，你啥瓜点我嘞，我那年是做啥？在 tax collector 阿里边自杀说怕谁过说，这是的是就别也花不。
Hated in the Jewish community.
该以色列你觉得嘛有的口子说不是你做啥呢？
He was working for the Romans.
侬我罗马没比如侬米也的，侬那里有嘛的大手，有做啥的？你说不是你马蹄的俺们，啊没的，过来马皮有啥呢？过来俺们也是那马蹄的两马，但是挺别的嘛我。
I love the story that Matthew tells. He tells his own story of when Jesus called him. So,
Matthew-
Matthew 9:9 to
一
12.
起请俺们，阿里是耶稣一在苦诉你，耶稣在出手票了嘛，背下不要。因为你讲的我嘛背，我来俺们一起前面个马蹄背呢，马蹄背说这里一这里背啥不？马蹄头骨头骨子被撑子过去，啊这运ful来呢啊，头抓背打火的这个运过来，马蹄头骨头骨子被撑子过去，啊今年例子我爱。耶稣我过比古节的马蹄比米大马蹄有，至少我过你那点马的。 耶稣木个娘，我的出来比一代别个喽，我的娘一都是一代出家喽。我看呢，一挂故事咋的的，你那至少说比最就是俺面呢，也说比一出牌不比提瓦过来喽，因为一挂古代的咱们的表示哎，怕的师傅木个娘。 因为你一出牌不对，那么把人师傅你自杀说比最初说比的话，咋了白喽？耶稣把这个人一推了白喽，话嘛拉出呢那些怕的有嘛也，那时撇手呢有也喽，这可里的都个话。
Jesus came to call sinners.
耶稣明年过来嘛？ 最就是是把说的花老师啊哇，
And that's all of us.
你咋不？有个呢，无敌个嘛呗，听你嘛，学来好，有俺们是把说，我来的最慢的可能也是做啥就决定哦。
I think the first person in my reading of the Bible, the first person that Jesus said to them, I'm the Messiah, when he was on earth. Oh,
耶稣呢，我那弥赛亚嘛，我别的嘛那过去吃嘛别哈，我那个一屋的话别的嘛，阿里嘛得别。
do you know who it was? If I'm not wrong, it was the Samaritan woman at the well.
撒玛利亚么子的有嘛？
Now, I think, why didn't he go and, well, he told the Pharisees or tell the teachers of the law or
阿
all
师
these
傅你
people.
怕你师傅在什么别呀？阿师傅都你别以色列出长不得你妈呀，来换你撒玛利出长，不没出长哎，不怕不嘛不得，阿里当你我过其实呢，我那弥赛亚嘛我嘛别你，我过后头门呀就嘎嘎别多了的嘛。
Because they would have said, I know, I do it all right. You don't have to tell me anything.
过来咪。 怕你师傅在嘛也，侬妈妈吃我侬个妈怕俺别拉哇，以色列拉出的别别，我侬只怕我血黑你过出来我侬手娘啊，侬别嘛吃，
He
别老
told,
神呢。
he told a woman who had had 5 husbands,
咱们在国的有么呢？一是把我有就跟你说的有，
and the one she was living with at the time, she wasn't married to.
我在国的芝麻听话，你说的有嘛？说把咱们个。 一是把忙啊，别嘛耶稣别多了。
And basically he's saying, I came for you.
我在耶稣呢，
I can change
一
your
妈
life.
咪拍的嘛呢？侬里都是出来的，我花了我嘛，侬里大别嘛话，侬在我这里啥话推荐我嘛？别是呢，什么里怎么的，我里妈咪妈个是呢？
She ran into town, told all her friends, I found him.
我在怎么
Changed their community.
我们呢在对是的卡说的个一出别啊，的有啥的，我里妈个是呢？我这个就拉是耶稣的妈爹嘛的，可有了哇？
It's amazing to think that Jesus, the creator of the universe, the one, okay, do you want me to say that
我
much?
哩呢，啊这都叫没都挺马抓的嘛呢？ 莫光明年国家啊，自己但是明年出啥的哩技术，国体有嘛呢呢？
The one who came to earth to die for us,
耶稣那是你，耶稣呢，明年过拉是你，下面有没有十架过去？有的你那喽？
wants to have a relationship with us.
我来咪十架提干嘛啊？这个去年的有比家来花嘛啊，可没事呀，别就。
He's not saying, oh, every now and then, if you think of it, send me an email.
侬啊，个苦拉的爸妈是俺的这个可啥条干来嘛？俺的呢，侬啊，过几嘛几，我是一嘛一呢，嘛别不是。
It's sometimes even hard, if we're going through a hard time, to find a family member or a good friend who understands, somebody that we want to share things with.
我在电话话了呢，有个么？你马上都就，我喝都就，阿里一段嘛，谁打的呢？就嘛在的去白白，你就过去吃家父啦我，嘛白天有么在特别，我在嘛靠在我在嘛家子是呢，推么推去嘛就哎，我里到山呢，出牌，你妈妈的大包老师出牌，啊去花沙的。
And here's Jesus saying, come on, not far away, right side by
我
side.
在耶稣
We're
那
going to do
边，
this
侬
together.
过年花一嘛去，我提发的哩很严哦，侬连的嘛跟我的，一嘛米嘛拍多了的，侬喝的嘛还就我的个毛来，我个一家呢，不要说呢。
This invitation, I don't think, was just given once, and that's it. Oh, you'll have to come by sometime, and we'll get together.
耶稣呢就里边的嘛个电话，本身呢啥年呐，那个一嘛只叫什么啊？
I
耶
think,
稣呢边的嘛呐，啊就是不，你们个啥年个往年个第四第八不，我哩是别去啊别的嘛。
I think he's saying, I want you to do this today,
你们哩啊另外下个。
and I want you to do it. I want you to do it tomorrow.
门上边啥年可能没事事的个大嘛？
And sometimes we forget.
我的有的人么耶稣呢侬第啥子么？别哩两步别年的有啊，嘛家教里年米六是耶稣年啥里边的嘛？
Sometimes I wake up in the middle of the night and I'm worrying about something.
妈妈的花花嘞，啥瓜的花起来呗，你啥的个买一木嘛闹啥呢？
And I do try to remember to pray about it, and I do pray about it.
但妈妈那边呢，花起来呗，我哭呗起来呗，所以啥瓜口的么？
But some
我
of
咋哭噶？
some of the time we're laying there and just fussing about it.
我那个的花花呢，你啥买木啦呗？这是家木，古是家木，还他妈的就家务喝，还我们的吃，啊不我买零啊，是不是？我哩福克嘛，那你妈快走路哩干啦就。
It's not just me, right?
妈妈就走哩当啊是，我在嗰里的花花当啊是。
Good.
有咋有牛的，就是到就
I didn't
妈
want
的
to
拿
be
手
the
走
only
就
one.
别谈呢，我嘞。
And sometimes I wake up in the morning and I think, oh, today I have to do this and this and this.
哦，但妈妈呗，哎，那花起了哇，花起了啦，那你们天天时装嘛，天天啥里边说呢？我这个你妈快点话理了，我嘞是个就那。
We have to remember God's mercies are new every morning.
我但我哩大妈关呢，耶稣有怕点点啊，天天不哩天天，哎，一时个就认识嘛，阿咪认识比嘛个嘛啊，你们不是special认识有不这个哈，不是。
Every morning we need to come along beside Jesus and say, this is a beginning of a new day. We come to him.
我
We
那个
don't,
一直是花起来的嘛呢，我在来边都去看嘛，有嘛因为耶稣那么大嘛啥个有点马虎啦，不是。
we don't want to just do our own thing.
我但有几次讲没得嘛的也别个也一那呢，我那个你路路忙爱他哩，
We need him to come. He comes alongside us. We need to come alongside him.
我但耶稣边呢，哪怕天我来里嘛哪面，我个没家里边的呢，有时耶稣的马都是嘛啊，耶稣呀有的马就是有的护士那耶稣我别的嘛。
We need to ask for his guidance.
一胡加巴拉马是你比花钱你呀有阿天米
His wisdom.
阿另阿米耶稣过比拉马是你那你木罗的嘛是你定啊哇
He's given us the Holy Spirit.
有的是先嘛哈个个喽
We need to listen.
我的是先嘛哈过这个有的的花嘛个的有阿米那不嘛打过那打
None of us are perfect.
有阿里的有阿米无地六百嘛那
But even as I was preparing tonight,
来你们的话妈咪过不打不么别个来过么过加个呀嘛子过
I thought, how often do I just head out on my own? You know?
啊不，妈妈一起吃别的，一起吃个家娃就，我都觉得嘛，我别提了提了，是你，我说阿玲啊，别的妈妈别别，第个嘛的，我个嘛哭么，这脱衣服是个草不是在那里嘛吃了别的，我的是啊，俺你话都就是你，耶稣呐，俺你嘛下一嘛是别牛是。
We need his strength.
一些我们觉得嘛有对的过的，个怕被觉得嘛弄嘛地拉环境我，俺你话可以来说。
We need his wisdom.
是你嘛老板这个哔哩哔哩他一年对俺的是你怕别个你不是？
We need his love.
你的话有你嘛就是你嘛很记住嘛，快耶稣那边我你对怕别，你这个别个呢？
We need to forgive others.
所以这个个呢，他说嘛做的嘛在里头错，我说你这个记好些你么个，耶稣呢有的个个嘛里边，所以俺们有个个那么表，耶稣说我个巴拉喽。
None of us are perfect,
阿里嘛个丢什么做？
but we're tremendously loved.
过来咪嘛不掉别嘛quoi，有的么我说你也是你呢，啊这个嘛数量嘛就别不，怕别混呀嘛。
I know I still have a lot to learn.
妈妈别吃啊，这乌拉个呢，我是一个表示啊，他们嘛就做就，
And I don't want to just be a hearer of the word and not a doer. He
或者
says.
把家说里面啊，一多拉说俺们一那大伯别嘛来是花吃喽。
But it's wonderful to know that we aren't alone on the journey.
我他来是第二个不第二个有对你的那么师傅个抓下是搞了的，我就个不偷鸡嘛吃，也是别的话讲呀，怎么样？我一巴拉我别的我路都大嘛，哈利波都大嘛，我路。
Jesus has invited us to come to him,
ယေရှုဘဲလို့လျာမာ
to yoke ourselves to him,
လာလီမာအခုမလျာ
and he will guide us on the way.
နုကြကူမဆေဝငွာနေကြကူခုမကနေနုယူယံဘဲငွာယေဂျာနေကိုလေကနုလာနတာငွာစနုချမဒါမဆာမဖူလာ
Thank you, Jesus.
ယေရှုရှာမုံဘဲတမယူဟာလတီယုံငါမေနိမကွာကူတာလေ
It's a love like no other.
နုနီဒါမငါစညီဂုမလီယရှင်နုနီနာမိနေကွညာခွမှုမတာဝဆကွဘီလာမဆမငါတဲ့
Amen.
Amen